Hello everyone, October 31st, 2014. Some of you may recall last year when Michael Knight and I were in a tunnel in Tokyo, Japan. I was on the phone with Haruhiko Kuroda, and he said that Japan must do whatever necessary to eradicate deflation. Michael and I delivered QE11, or QE shock and awe.
Meaning Bank of Japan must do whatever thing necessary to eradicate deflation, rather than inflation. So I have no concern about the purchasing of government bonds in Japan at this stage.
Okay, Haruhiko, I'll see if Michael has any ideas. Okay, Michael, just got off the phone with Haruhiko, and he needs our help. They've been in this deflationary tunnel for almost 2 decades now.
Buddy, there's got to be a way out of here.
Well, Bernanke and Draghi have cornered the money printing market. And even though Japan has a 101 trillion yen bond buying program, QE 8, 9, and 10 just haven't done it, Michael. Is it time for QE shock and awe?
Looks like the only way out of here is up. Let's go for it. Turn elbows!
It must have worked so well that Haruhiko decided to celebrate Halloween today by handing out treats to investors worldwide. U.S. stock market hit an all-time high. The Japanese market exploded to the upside. But for some odd reason, gold and silver saw this as some evil pagan celebration and ducked their heads rather than participate. Today, the Bank of Japan announced $80 trillion per year expansion of the monetary base. Inflation is what's needed. A hidden tax that steals your wealth. That's what Japan needs. That's what the U.S. needs. That's what everybody needs when you're on a fiat monetary fraudulent system that we have worldwide. So the madness continues in this Alice in Wonderland economics that we have going on, where nothing seems to make sense. If companies' earnings are dropping and we're hitting all-time highs on the non-economic indicator that is the Dow. But that's what we have. That's what we've had going on for a while now. So the tripling of the ETFs and real estate investment trust purchases, that's something else we're going to have from the Bank of Japan, announced today. So QE was just ended in the U.S., but the race to debase continues, and during this fiat paper race that's going on to debase the currencies, the Fed will be putting down the accelerator once again soon enough. Mark my words on that. In other news, China and Argentina renewed a 2009 currency swap agreement for another $814 million, where China will pay in yuan and Argentina will pay in pesos in currency trade amongst the two countries. And you can bet your bottom dollar that the US dollar won't be used in any of those trades. Argentina's central bank had the following to say: the yuan is on a path to becoming one of the major global reserve currencies. So I hope this information helps some of you, because I know most Americans who spend most of their time at the public trough consuming their sports and TV shows could give a damn